In this video, we will see some tricks to remember the trigonometric values. There are many ways to remember the values of sine, cos and other trigonometric values corresponding to 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. But this one is the easiest way. You just only need your hand to remember all those values for not only sine and cos but for all other trigonometric values. Let's begin. Take out your left hand with palm facing your face. Here, the little finger represents 0 degree, the ring finger represents 30 degree, the middle finger represents 45 degree, the index finger represents 60 degree, and the thumb represents 90 degree. Let's start with finding the sine values. The formula is sine is equal to square root of fingers below divided by 2. To find sine 0, just fold the little finger. As per our rule, we need to find the number of fingers below 0. So, below little finger, we do not have any finger. So, the number of fingers is 0 and the square root of 0 is 0 and 0 divided by 2 is also 0. So, we get sine 0 is 0. Let's find sine 30. Just fold your ring finger. Below ring finger, you have one finger. So, square root of 1 will give you 1 and 1 divided by 2 will give you 1 by 2. So, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now, let's find sine 45. Just fold your middle finger. Below middle finger, there are two fingers. As per our formula, sine 45 will be square root of 2 upon 2. So, if you rationalize it, that is, multiply and divide by 2, you will get 1 by root 2. So, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, let's find sine 60. Just fold your index finger. Below index finger, there are three fingers. So, as per our formula, sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. Let's find sine 90. Just fold your thumb. Below thumb, you will see 4 fingers. So, root 4 by 2 will give you 2 by 2, which is 1. So, sine 90 is 1. So, we got sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1.
Likewise, for cos, the only difference is we are going to count the number of fingers above instead of counting it below. So, our formula is cos equal to root of fingers above divided by 2. So, let's say if we want to find cos 0, then what we do is just fold your little finger and we count the number of fingers above the little finger. So, root 4 by 2 will give you 2 by 2, which is 1. So, cos 0 is 1. Now, let's find cos 30. Just fold your ring finger. Now, you can see that above ring finger there are 3 fingers. So, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Now, cos 45. Just fold your middle finger. Above middle finger, there are 2 fingers. So, as per our formula, cos 45 will be root 2 by 2. And if we rationalize it, we get 1 by root 2. So, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now, for cos 60, just fold your index finger. Above index finger, we have only one finger. So, cos 60 will be root 1 by 2. That will give us 1 by 2. Let's find cos 90. Just fold your thumb. Now above thumb there are no fingers. So, cos 90 will be root 0 by 2. Now, root 0 is 0 and 0 by 2 is 0. So, cos 90 is 0. So, we got cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0.
Now for tan, we just flip our hand. Observe the little finger is 0, the ring finger is 30, the middle finger is 45, index finger is 60 and thumb is 90, same as the previous one. We have just flipped it. Now the formula to find tan is square root of fingers above divided by square root of fingers below. Let's find tan 0. Just fold your little finger. As per our formula, we need to find the number of fingers above and below the little finger. So, above little finger there are no fingers, so number of fingers will be 0, and below little finger there are 4 fingers, so number of fingers will be 4. So, square root of 0 divided by root of 4 will give you 0. So, tan 0 is 0. Now, let's find tan 30. Just fold your ring finger. As per the formula, above ring finger we have 1 finger and below ring finger we have 3 fingers. So root 1 divided by root 3 will give you 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now let's find tan 45. Just fold your middle finger. As per the formula, above middle finger we have 2 fingers and also below middle finger we have 2 fingers. So we will get root 2 divided by root 2, which is 1. So tan 45 is 1. Now for tan 60, just fold your index finger. As per our formula, number of fingers above index finger is 3 and number of fingers below index finger is 1. So tan 60 will be root 3 divided by root 1, which will give us root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. Now for tan 90, just fold your thumb. Now you can see above thumb there are 4 fingers and below there are no fingers. So root 4 divided by root 0, that will give us 2 by 0. As we all know that if in the denominator we have 0, that fraction is not defined. So tan 90 comes out to be not defined. So we got tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is not defined. So my dear friends, wasn't it so easy? Just using your hands you can find out sine, cos and tan. And once you know sine, cos and tan, it is easy to find cosec, sec and cot. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Do subscribe, like and share.